A personal trainer and co-founder of a female-only gym has been jailed for just over 2 years for assaulting his former girlfriend. 33-year-old John Peters from Wellingtonia, Knockrabo Apartments, Dundrum in Dublin had earlier pleaded guilty to assault and assault causing harm to Rianna Moore and criminal damage to her phone on dates in 2022 and 2023.
John Peters, a personal trainer and co-founder of a female-only gym in South Dublin, was described in court as motivated by control, dominance and punishment of his girlfriend Rianna Moore. He assaulted her twice during their 3-year relationship, at one point telling her to cover up her bruises and lie about what happened. He also tried to destroy evidence on her phone by running it underwater. Peters denied any wrongdoing to Gardaí and told them his girlfriend was volatile and should not be believed. However, 2 weeks before his trial date, he pleaded guilty to assault and criminal damage and apologised. However, today, Judge Martina Baxter said that 3 years on, a probation report showed that Peters still had little insight into his behaviour. She said he continued to minimise his offending and there was nothing to suggest he was addressing his aggression or his temper. She jailed him for 2 years and 2 months. Afterwards, Ms Moore said the legal process had been long and difficult, but worth it in the end.
The last few years have demanded more from me than I ever thought that I could give. While nothing can ever undo what happened to me, today I felt heard, today I felt seen, and today my voice mattered. Justice cannot erase the past, but it can provide accountability.
Judge Baxter said Peters had breached the bonds of an intimate relationship and the nub of the case was his attitude to female partners. She ordered that Peters be supervised after his release and that he take part in a programme to deal with intimate partner violence. She also said the €10,000 he had offered to Miss Moore should instead be paid to Women's Aid after Miss Moore declined to accept it. Vivian Traynor, RTE News at Dublin Circuit Criminal Court.